What's up, y'all? So, these are kosher. However you say it. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Kendra, back with another video. So, yes, I am trying the pork pot stickers for the first time. So, let's check it out. Alrighty, so we're gonna just dip this in this sauce real quick and give it a try. It's hot. Okay, it's good. I like it. It's pork, and it has a good flavor. So y'all, this is my first time finally trying these. I seen B Love tried these on her channel. She made them look really delicious, and I'm just now getting to them, but they're good. Go get you some pork pot stickers.